Right, guys. So, let's see. Sorry, my mom was getting my water bottles from my bedroom, and before you say anything, no, it's not my fault. Technically, she said, "Leave them in your room. Don't put them in the trash." So I did. Yeah. Okay, so while my mom was gonna recycle and throw it in there, look at this. What you're seeing right now is a dead bird. Isn't that crazy? It was like, oh. Come out. Look at it. It's really crazy. Where'd he go? There. It's kind of weird. That's its beak. Its eyes are closed. No, just kidding. I'm scared to do that. So, can we kick it, or? I want to kick it, but I'm scared.
I'm scared. No.
But, what if it gets rotten?
Can you give me and same this
And same this?
And this.
Same that. Okay.
Oh. Kitchen.
Oh, the broom? Both of it?
Yeah.
Okay. Right, I know what my mom's gonna do, but sorry. Oh, there you go. Mommy. Emma, channel. Emma. Wait. Oh, sorry, got it.
Hey, easy.
You go easy. Now we're about to see what my mom does with the bird, lads. Yes, lad. You lad. Are you scooping it? That scares me. How can you do this? You're so cruel. Yes. Roll it out.
Yeah.
Ew. Ew. Just ew. Ew. You see that? I don't like the way its body moved so motionally. It was just so freaking. So, what now? Just ignore it? Jeez, that is disturbing. Anyways, wow, so. Boy, sir. I'm sorry, can I show my face? Please. Bye. Oh, I hope that recorded. Yep.